fine. Okay, this is the unboxing or the inauguration of my Prestige stainless steel cookware set. This comes to me as a gift from my lovely daughter Saleha. Okay, she was not here for Eid, so she has given this to me as an Eid gift. I was actually looking forward to changing my non-stick cookware because my non-stick is no more non-stick. It has become very sticky and I believe that it's not good for the health. So I thought of getting this because I had been generally whenever I buy stuff I look at reviews and then I buy things. So this was something of course not the same brand, but the steel the steel utensils are better for cooking. I believe that's what they are saying. So here goes item number 1. Okay, wow, Salia, this looks cool. Okay, this is the pan, the cooking pan. This box came with these 2 spoons as a compliment. Okay, I'll keep it here. Okay, next is item number 2. What's this? Oh, I need the scissor again. Okay, that's item number 2. I wonder what's in this. I guess that's the small cooking pan. Oh no, Salia. This is the one that you wanted for quite a long time. The coffee pot.
Oh,
that's so cute. Wow,
so sweet.
Okay, that's the coffee pot. Okay,
Right here.
then comes item number 3 is a small cooking pan, maybe for dals and stuff, and that comes with a glass lid. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, so that takes care of one box. Now I shall open the
Do you want to shift the box there?
box number
Upstairs.
2.
Here.
Okay, box number 2. Let me open it up. Ah. I can use it. That's box number 3. Box number 3. Okay. Alright. Now here is the lid and a bigger pan.
I love the size.
Yeah, I know. This one. Okay. We can possibly tell them the sizes once we are done opening the one.
There's more?
Boxes. Here is one of the biggest. Sally, you can make chai for us now in the coffee.
Yeah. And I think the best part about this is it has this, what would we call this thing? In the, this right here, this thing.
Yeah, okay, something.
Yeah, I mean if we pour this, it's not going to fall off.
Liquid will be easier.
Exactly. So.
The not the spout. The kettle has a spout. This is something else. Oh wow.
Okay, it has this pouring thing here. So basically,
Okay, here is the biggest one.
this is for sheer kurma on Eid.
Yeah, Halim Sheer Kurma. And that's the one.
Lovely.
Wow. So we have, how many do we have here?
So there is this bigger one right here, and there's this.
Okay, Salia. The biggest one is for 3 point, no, it is 11 liter. Oh my god. it can hold 11 liters.
Mm-hmm.
The medium one can hold 6.5 liters, and the smallest one can hold 3.5 liters.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Then we have a frying pan, and we have a 16 centimeter saucepan. That's the chota wala.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have a coffee pot. Sorry, and we have 2 pieces of these spoons.
ये हमने ज़्यादा फोकस किया तो फ्री में मिला था हमें. So
Used on the gas, it can be used on the radiant ring. It can be used with a solid plate, halogen, ceramic, induction. It is dishwasher safe and food contact. Food contact means खाना चिपकेगा नहीं इसमें. सही है? Okay, and this is also
Made in Turkey.
Made in Turkey. Where is it? Where does it say
on
it's
the
made
other
in
side? I
Turkey?
think.
Because mostly these things, the steel things come from Turkey.
So it says Turkey.
Yeah.
So it is made in Turkey right there.
Yeah. Because the one which is the highest quality is that Cork Mars thing, that is also Turkey. But then we opted for this because Prestige is also not a bad company. So okay. So that's that. We have a big one, a medium one, a small one. Then we have a saucepan. Then we have a frying pan. Then we have a coffee pot. And
So basically this is the Baba pot, Mama pot and the baby pot. So
yeah, for the daddy bear, mummy bear, and baby bear. And this is for Mariam bear. Okay, and then we have a frying pan, and then we have a coffee pot. And so thank you, Sanya. Jazakallah khair.
No problem.
And this was a lovely gift. I like it. Thank you. Thank you.
तो इसमें अगर आप नोट करो तो चाय एकदम सीधी ग्लास में जाती है, कोई बाहर नहीं कुछ गिरता, सब कुछ बिल्कुल साफ़ एंड नीट एंड क्लीन रहता है. तो वो जो मैंने पहले नहीं बताया था कि कॉफ़ी पॉट पे एक पोरिंग के लिए आसानी दी हुई है. मेरा मतलब कहने का ये था कि जो है चाय या कॉफ़ी जो भी है वो नीचे नहीं गिरता.